Alright guys, what are we about to do?
What are we about to do, Ezra? We're about to hike a mountain.
Where's Harvey?
Right
Right there.
He's hiding.
Hi Harvey.
He's hiding.
here.
You ready to go, Ez?
Luna, over here is you breathing. Alright, we got her own book. There we go. Come on, kid,
It's okay. Do you want to get in the backpack yet?
Hey, walk over here.
Look, do you
Come
see
over
right
here.
there?
Walk over there. There you go.
That's a big hype. Not let's go to but that's all. The guy. That's about. That's all for good.
Where did we climb to?
Corner up the moon.
Up the mountain. Did you climb by yourself? Like a big boy? And now are you on Mommy's back and Harvey's in the backpack? Say, hey Harvey. Harvey, do you like the backpack? Oh yeah. All right. You're gonna tell.
Yeah. Great, Harvey. Mama gives you the hardest animal so you can beat me in the head with it.
Are you gonna tell Pinnacle Mountain bye?
Peekaboo bye.
Peekaboo bye.
Hey, say like.
Like.
No, look at the camera.
Look at the
Say
camera.
Like.
Say like.
Like.
Say stay steady.
She's saying.
Say subscribe.
This is that.
Say bye, Pinnacle. See you later, Pinnacle. You hear the airplane?